If you only knew what a major difference this menstrual cup makes for women all over the world, this is the Monthly Cup. It's a great sustainable option to tampons and pads. What makes this cup great is that it's made in Sweden of premium quality silicone. It's FDA registered and we follow medical device standards. Because for us, our customers' well-being and safety always comes first. We didn't just want to make a menstrual cup, but to make the best version of a menstrual cup. And we truly believe that we have done that.
My first thought when I heard of the menstrual cup was that it was disgusting. And I kept thinking that for a long time. But then I started thinking maybe it's worth a try anyway. From the moment I tried it, I never had to think about bringing or forgetting my protection ever again. I have my cup and that's all I need.
I remember the stress of not being able to find a tampon when I needed one, or being at someone's house where there was no bin in the bathroom. Not to mention the difficulties going to the beach or on a summer holiday when the period showed up. Why shouldn't we be able to do what we want when we want? That is not freedom. I get so many phone calls describing how bad the situation is for menstruating women around the world. The solution here is not single-use products. Because if you give a woman a pack of pads, she will have protection for 1 month. But if you give her a menstrual cup, she will have protection for 5 years. The lack of hygiene products results in many girls staying home from school. And we know that the way out of poverty is education. And with the menstrual cup, the girls can stay in school. Our goal has always been to make the world a better place, one menstrual cup at a time.
The Monthly Cup gives me freedom because it lasts for 12 hours. I don't have to think about what I'm doing when I'm on my period, and it allows me to just get on with my life as normal. I can work out, swim, shower, even go to the toilet with it in. I believe that the Monthly Cup is the future. Just the fact that it goes straight back into my pouch after I've used it and not into the bin saves me money and significantly cuts down on waste.
On average, a woman uses about 12,000 tampons and pads during her lifetime. Just imagine the global waste and the cost of these products. If you use menstrual cups, you only need 7 during your whole lifetime. That means that 1 cup saves this planet 1,600 tampons each. We only have one planet, and we need to protect it. We founded MonthlyCup in 2014, and in our first year, we sold 1,000 cups. In comparison to last year, we sold 35,000 cups. In these few years, we've gone from nothing to becoming the market-leading company in Sweden, and now we'll look to grow even further. We have definitely proven that doing well by doing good is a working concept. Our vision is to empower women all over the world, to make them feel free to do what they want, when they want. For me, trying a menstrual cup was revolutionary. Never have I heard of a tampon that made such a difference. But this is something more than just a sanitary product. This is freedom. If you choose to invest with us, you will have the opportunity to give yourself and your friends 20% discount on all of our products on our web pages for a whole year. For each invested unit, we will also provide a cup for a woman who really needs it. We strive to make women feel empowered, to feel strong and feel free. Join us in the menstrual cup revolution.
I will never go back to using tampons or pads ever again.